Hey, this is Kathy. Today I want to show you how to hide the formula bar in Microsoft Excel. You might want to hide the formula bar if you're just going to insert data into your spreadsheet and you don't need to use any formulas. And this is how you do it. If you go into Microsoft Excel and you see the ribbon at the top, click anywhere on the white space. Right click and it'll come up with an option to customize the ribbon. Click that. And then in the options board, you'll see that things like home and data are clicked. The formula bar, the formula option should be unclicked. If I were to show the formulas, I'd check it. If I don't want to show the formulas, I'm going to uncheck it. And then I'll click OK. And I'll go to the top of my screen and I'll see that the formula option is no longer there. And that's how you insert and delete the formula bar in Microsoft Excel. This is Kathy. Thanks for watching.